Dropshipping tutorial for beginners, how to do Ecwid dropshipping with AliExpress. Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black, and all I want to do is give value. In this dropshipping tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to do Ecwid dropshipping using AliExpress. I'm going to be starting with the concept, then I'm going to move on to the method I use, then I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually achieve the same thing. Now for the concept, let's go there. So basically, dropshipping is the act of retailing products online without having an inventory. In dropshipping, the retailer sells products slightly higher than the original price, and the supplier ships directly to the customers. Hence, the retailer earns profit through markups. So I know this sounds like a lot of English, so I'm going to go to my Google Jamboard to actually explain the whole concept in detail. So in dropshipping, we have three people involved. We have the customer, we have you, which is the dropshipper, and we have the supplier. Okay, the supplier has an inventory of the product, meaning that they have a warehouse where they store their product, but you don't. Okay, you don't have a warehouse, you don't even have anything, you just have yourself and your store. So basically what's going to be happening is that you're going to be looking for products that are being sold higher on some websites and lower on the supplier site. A good example is Amazon and AliExpress. Okay, so the two case study we're going to be using is Amazon and AliExpress. So let's say, for example, on Amazon, so let's say this is Amazon, let's say this one is AliExpress. Okay, so on Amazon, the product is sold for just, let's say, $20. Then on AliExpress, the product is sold for $10. Okay, so basically what you want to do is that you want to look for products like this, product that is being sold higher on Amazon and lower on AliExpress. You know, the people that buy mostly on Amazon are people from the US and from all over the world, and not everybody buys from AliExpress. A lot of people also buy from AliExpress and even sell on Amazon. So what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be looking for such products, and you're going to be looking for a price in between. Okay, so this product is sold $20 on Amazon and $10 on AliExpress. You are going to sell yours for something else. You're going to sell yours for, like, let's say $15. Okay, so what happens is that when someone sees $20 and $15 for the same product, they're going to obviously go with the $15 guy, which is you. And when they pay the $15, you're going to keep $5 and send $10 to the supplier. The supplier in return is going to send the product directly to the buyer. Okay, and this is all automated, meaning that you don't have to manually copy the products and paste to the supplier. When the person buys from you, you get your own code, and the remaining is automatically sent to the supplier. Then the supplier ships the product immediately to the buyer. So it's automated. So that's what I'm about to show you in this video. So if there's anything distracting you, look for somewhere secluded and go to, because this is something that is very important if you're interested in dropshipping and actually getting results with dropshipping. So here is the method I use. So basically for dropshipping, all I do is I drive traffic to my online stores using social media. I use TikTok, and I use Instagram Reels, I use Facebook Reels, and I use Pinterest. These are all social media platforms, also YouTube Short as well. So basically, I'm going to be showing you how to go about this. So first of all, let's go to the steps. So for step one, you need to pick a winning niche, and I've already explained what a winning niche is. A winning niche is basically a niche that have a lot of products that is trending. Okay, a lot of product that is trending, but not just trending. It also has product that fits this criteria. Okay, product that has an opportunity, a profit margin for you, the dropshipper. So to do that is very easy. Okay, so let's just assume I've picked my niche. Don't worry, before the end of this video, you know how to pick yours as well. So let's assume my niche is, let's say kitchen products, home appliances and stuff like that. The next thing you need to do after picking your niche is to create your logo. To create your logo is very simple. All you have to do is head over to investorblack.com/Canva. Once you head over to this website, it's going to take you to Canva. Once you're in Canva, all you have to do is come here, click on create design, then type the word logo here, and you're going to see this one that says 500x by 500x. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see a white blank canvas. Then you can write whatever you want. It could be a text logo, it could be an image logo, it could be a combination of both. But I won't waste your time trying to create a logo in front of you because I've already created one. And this is what my logo looks like, okay? As you can see, it's text, it's hoverable, as you can see. So I did all this with Canva. So my logo, my brand is Kitchen Buys, okay? For the purpose of this tutorial, my brand is Kitchen Buys. So once you've created your logo, the next thing you need to do is to actually create an Instagram account, a TikTok account, a Facebook Reels account, and stuff like that. These are the accounts that's going to be driving the sales to your online store. Okay, so it's very important you create this account. I already have my Instagram account, as you can see right here. So I'm going to close this. So I'm going to go to my home page. This is my Instagram account, by the way. Okay, so if I go to the home page, you're going to see that this is my account, and I've already added my logo to my Instagram account. So if I go to my profile, you see that I created this account newly. I have 0 posts, 0 followers, and I'm not following anybody, but I have my logo, Kitchen Buys. Okay, now once you've gotten your account like this, make sure that the name corresponds with whatever you're doing. Make it look as professional as possible, because it's very important you look professional. Now once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to search for brands in your niche. Okay, you can do that in TikTok. On TikTok, you can do that on IG as well. So for me, in this video, I'm going to be using IG. The same is applicable to TikTok as well. So on IG, go to the search bar, the search button right here. Click on the search button and search for your product. So in my own case, I'm going to be searching for kitchen products. So once you click on your kitchen products, if your own product is tech product, you can also search for tech products. The next thing you need to do is to look for reels, okay, that have the kind of products you would like to sell, okay. Like this lady, she's selling products that are very, very engaging, smart home gadgets, okay. So if I click on smart home gadgets and I click on her profile, excuse me, you're going to see that this lady has a bunch of products she's selling, and these are all smart home related products. As you can see, we have this mop right here, we have things like this. So that once you found somebody that has the kind of things you want to start selling, the next thing you need to do is move on to the next step, which is to create similar content. Okay, now I have a way I use to create similar content in bulk, okay, meaning that I can actually clone someone's account and create my own in a matter of minutes. Okay, that way as a beginner you hit the ground running. You don't have to now take weeks or months before it starts getting traction. Okay, so to do that, all you have to do is head over to investorblack.com/talk downloader. Once you click on investorblack.com/talk downloader, it's going to take you to this website right here. Okay, this website is a powerful tool, a very powerful tool that allows you to download videos, shorts, as you can see, short, reels, TikToks. Download it from these 3 platforms: YouTube, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok Reels. Okay, so once you are able to get this, you can get it in bulk without watermark, full HD, and stuff like that. So I'm going to scroll down. Let me refresh this page, and I'm going to show you what they are doing on their platform. Okay, so as you can see right here, all you have to do is put in the username of the profile. So in my own case, all I have to do is come here and copy this username at Smart Home Gadgets S and come over to this website and paste it. Once I paste it, I'm going to get all their videos, and I'm going to be able to download their videos. Apart from that, I'm going to be getting related hashtags, related to their product or the things they are posting. Okay, and that is another very important tool. That way you're going to be ranking for your product. Okay, so if you come over here, you're going to see that they will even give you some statistics and stuff like that. You can see the video that is performing the best in the person's profile, and that way you can know which one is getting the most hits, the most sales, and stuff like that. You can even check by comments, by views, and stuff like that. And at the end of the day, you'll be given the hashtags to rank for those same videos. Okay, so now that you know that this tool is very important, the only downside is that it is paid. Okay, it is not free. So if you go to their pricing, you're going to see how much that this tool is worth. So you have to pay $10 one-time fee or $20 one-time fee, which is a very, very good offer for something that's going to be so useful to you in your dropshipping business. But if you can't afford $10 or $20, no problem. You can go to this other website called saveinsta.app. This is for Instagram. You can also search for the one for TikTok as well. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just use the Instagram downloader. So now once you're here, all you have to do is go to your Instagram, go to the particular video you want to sell or you want to duplicate. For example, let me scroll around, pick any random image. Let me see, I think this one here is nice. So basically all you have to do is click on the image. Once you click on it, click on this 3-dotted menu, then click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, you're going to see copy link, share, SMS, Messenger, WhatsApp. Click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, go back to save Insta and paste the URL. Once you paste the URL, click on download and it's going to download the image. So I'm going to click on close here and you're going to see the same image. As you can see, if I click on download and close the ad, you see that this video has been downloaded here on my local device, and that is something that is very useful. Okay, it's going to save you the stress of coming up with content. But like I said, if I were to be you, I'll go with this one because it saves me time. I don't have to do this one by one. You can just clone like 6 accounts in a day, get as much products, stock your shop, your online store immediately and start getting traffic to your store. Okay, so now that we've downloaded the app, let me click on it to actually play it. So I'm going to do show in folder, right click, open with, then I'm going to choose open with Windows Media Player or this one right here. So once you play it, you're going to see, I don't know if you can hear the sound though, but this is it. So basically you're going to get the full video like I said. So that's it. I'm going to close this. So once you've gotten your file, you're good to go. You can now start posting it on your own Instagram. But you need to also get the product. You've gotten the video of the product, but you need to get the product on your own store. So that takes us to the next step. So once you've created similar contents, the next thing you need to do is to visit investorblack.com/Ecwid and create an account. So I'm going to do that real quick. So after visiting investorblack.com/Ecwid, you're going to be presented with this page. The next thing you need to do is to click on get started for free. Once you click on get started for free, you have to now fill in your details. You need to put in your full name, your email and your password. And once you do that, click on next. So I'm going to do that real quick. So after filling up your details, the next thing you need to do is click on next, set up your account for free. So the next thing is to add your store details. So I'm going to add my online store name. I'm going to call it Black Matte Test. Okay, something like that. Then I'm going to change my currency to US dollars by scrolling to the very top and choosing USD. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to add my city, state and postal code. Then I'm going to hit next. Then I'm going to answer these questions. So the questions asked, do you already have experience selling? So I'm going to click on, I'm just getting started. What type of product will you be selling? I'm going to choose home/furniture. Are you setting up your store for someone else? I'm going to click no, click on next. Do you already have a website? I'm going to click on no. Then I'm going to put in Black Matte Test, click on next. Then you'll be taken to this place where you have to pay for your subscription. If you don't have enough money to pay for the subscription, you can start with a free account to also make you money. So I'm going to click on create a store. It's free. So once you're done with all that, you'll be in your Shopify, in your Ecwid store. Okay. Now you'll be presented with some series of steps you have to take to actually set up your site completely, like setting up your payment option, choosing where you deliver and stuff like that. I'm going to start with this first one, which is to set up your website storefront. And that has to do with customizing your site, putting your logo and stuff like that. Once you do all that, you can now check everything. Okay. So I'm going to just come here and just check my domain name, make sure everything is the way I want it. I'm going to go to the theme and choose a theme that is befitting for my product. So I'm going to go to home and furniture. Then under home and furniture, I'm going to just pick any random theme. This one looks nice, so I'm going to use this one right here. Then I'm going to go to headline and cover image. Then I'm going to change my headline to something related to best prices, best quality products for you or just for you, something like that. Okay. You can write whatever you want, but for the purpose of simplicity, I'm just going to leave it like this. Then you can scroll down, you can choose the cover layout, how you want it to look. If you want it to look like this, or you want it to look like this, or you want it to look like this, depending on whatever you want. So I'm going to manage this one right like this. You can also change the image. You can also remove the call to action button. This is the call to action button. You can change what is written on it. You can change your text, how your text look like, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to logo, click on upload logo. Then I'm going to add the logo I created using Canva. I'm going to go to downloads. Then I'm going to go to my logo. So this is my logo right here. So I'm going to click on open. Then my logo is going to load up. So once my logo is loaded up completely, I'm going to click on save to save my progress so far. You can also make your logo to be rounded like this. As you can see, you can make your logo to be rounded. You can also change where your logo is shown. It can be shown under, it can be shown here, or it can be shown at the top. I'm going to leave it as show on cover. It looks better that way. I'm going to also save. Then I'm going to go back, scroll down to other options like the top menu. You can decide what is here at the top menu. So I'm going to just show my cart. That's all I want to add. Then I'm going to click on save. You can also show your social media links like your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter and stuff like that. But I'm not going to go do all that. I'm okay. So I'm going to click on back. Then once you're happy with how what your site is looking like, then you can go back and go to your dashboard, which is this place right here, and tick this one as done. Then I'm going to leave this adding your products for now because I'm going to be doing it automatically. You can review your regional settings by adding your company name if there is, then switch to the regional settings as well, change your currency, you can change your time zone and stuff like that. You can change your cart and checkout, define some things and stuff like that, tracking and analysis. I'm not going to dwell on all this. I'm just going to show you how to make money with it. If you have Google Analytics, you can track your sales. You can track how your users interact with your site using Facebook Pixel if you're running Facebook ads. If you're also on Pinterest, on TikTok, on Snapchat, like everything you need to track the activities on your site is done in the tracking and analytics tab. Okay. You can also add your taxes, the information. You can add a lot of things, but I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Then I'm going to just tick this as done. Choose how you deliver your goods. I'm going to leave this for now. Set up your payment option. So your payment option has to do with your payment gateway and how you're going to be receiving your money. You can say they should pay by cash, that's pay manually, or they pay through other means. Okay. So you can add a manual payment method. You can choose a payment method here. So we have to checkout, we have PayPal, we have SendPay and stuff like that. We have Paystack, which is very common here in Nigeria. So if you're a Nigerian, you can use Paystack. So once you've done that, you can also choose other ways to get paid. You can even see more payment gateway just in case you're not satisfied with a few listed here. So once you've set up your payment method, make sure that you've created your account on their own website before they will give you the API details that you will use to actually link to your Ecwid store. Once you're done, then you can go back and click on the other one as done. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is the next step. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my browser. Okay, so once you've created your account, the next thing you need to do is to customize your account, which we just did. After customizing your account, the next thing you need to do on your Ecwid store is to actually add Dropshipping app to your store. So to do that, all you have to do is go back to your Ecwid store. So once you head over to your Ecwid store, come to this bottom here that says apps, click on app market, and it's going to take you to the app market where you can pick any of the app. They have paid apps, they have free apps as well, but I'm going to be using the free app because this is for total beginners. So I am assuming you don't have much capital. So once it has opened up, the next thing you need to do is come over to this search bar here and just type SUP and hit enter. Then you're going to see this one called SUP Dropshipping. Click on it, then click on install to install the Dropshipping app to your Ecwid. So I'm going to click on install again, then it's going to install. As you can see, opening, it has installed successfully. Click on open app, and that takes us to the next step. So I'm going to leave this as it is now. Then we are going to move on to the next step. So after you must have added your dropshipping app to your store, the next thing you need to do is step 9, which is to actually add AliExpress product to your store. Okay, add AliExpress product to your store. Remember, we've gotten the products we want to actually sell through Instagram. If you remember, from this step, we are able to actually get some really nice products from our competitors. Okay, so if I go to this lady's store right now and I click on her website, it's going to take me to her actual website where I'm going to see things that she's actually selling. So as you can see, she has a lot of things here, but I'm not going to use her for her website. I'm going to just search for someone else. So this guy, Justice Buy, always posts similar stuff as that lady, the initial lady. So I'm going to go with this guy because his website is more user friendly, so it will be easy for me to actually explain the concept. So as you can see, he sells on Amazon. He's an Amazon associate, meaning that he's not doing dropshipping, he's doing affiliate marketing. But the little difference between dropshipping and affiliate marketing is that with dropshipping, you have control of how much you can add to the price, while with affiliate marketing, the price is fixed. Your commission is fixed and it is determined by the owner of the product and not by you. So it's either you're using this method I'm going to be sharing with you for either Amazon associated as affiliate marketing or simply for dropshipping. Okay, so I'm going to go to my browser now and show you this guy's website. So this is his website right here, Justice Buys. Now you can see he has a bunch of products here for sale. So I'm going to be clicking few products to show you how much they are being sold and if we can make profit from them. So I'm going to click this one right here, this portable washing machine. I'm going to right click, open in a new tab. I'm going to also click on this knife cleaner. I'm going to right click, open in a new tab. Then I'm going to click on, let's say this eggplant sauce bottle, right click, open in a new tab as well. If I go to the tabs that have been opened, you see the products here. So this one right here is going for $58.99 US, and the shipping fee as well. If you scroll down a bit, I think they usually indicate the shipping fee. Okay, I'll try to see if I can get the shipping fee. But that's by the way. Okay, yeah, as you can see, the import fee is about $49 and thereabouts. So by the time you calculate 58 plus 49, you're running into about $100 plus. Okay, now this same product is listed on our platform and I'm going to show you how to find this product. Now that you've gotten the product, which is our step 4, we need to add that product to our AliExpress and see if it is profitable. So I'm going to go to this first product right here. Then I'm going to click on the image. Then I'm going to right click on the image, click on save image as. Once you click on save image as, it's going to save to your local computer. So I'm going to click on save. Once you save, it's going to come here, as you can see. Then I'm going to go back to my Ecwid account. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Ecwid account here. So once you're here now, the next thing you need to do is to get the product you want to buy. Okay, so let me just open this guy's website here as well, so there is no confusion. Let me open the Amazon site here as well, or better still, let me just get the image. So I'm going to go to the other page. Then I'm going to go to this place that says find products. Then I'm going to go to this place that says sourcing results. Once you click on it, you're going to see this message. You have not posted any sourcing request yet. So I'm going to click on start. As you can see, you have 10 posts. Okay, you can source for 10 products in a day. That's using the free account, by the way. So I'm going to go to my file manager. I'm going to drag this product here. I'm going to drag it down here. So once you drag the product, it's going to search using the image and it's going to search for the product. So I'm going to look for the product that is exactly like this product. Okay, so this one has something green here and something white. This ones are black. So I'm going to look, this one looks like it. If you scroll down, this one also looks like it. And as you can see, you can sort this product according to the price. So I'm going to sort it according to price because I want to look for the cheapest of them all. So I'm going to scroll. This one looks like the cheapest, $14.19. I'm going to click on import, click on confirm to import the product to my store. Then I'm going to compare. Okay, I now have the product imported to my store. I'm going to do the same for the next product. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to right click on this guy. I'm going to click on save image as. Then I'm going to this one is what I want. You have to click on the image first. Right click on the image, save image as. Then I'm going to click on save. Then I'm going to go click on this one, show in folder. Then go back to the other page. I have already added one, so I'm going to add another. Okay, so to add another is the same thing. You're going to do drag the second product. So I'm going to go to the tab, to the folder, drag the product. I'm going to drag the product here. Then the product is going to be searched as well. So I have used 2 out of 10, and as you can see, we have a bunch of them. So I'm going to sort it by price. This one is $2.02. So I'm going to import this particular one because it's like the cheapest. Click on confirm. Once you do that, it's going to also import it to your store. Okay, so I'm going to make do with these 2 products, and we're going to now compare the prices. So I'm going to go to imported products. You're going to see the 2 products I just imported, and you're going to see their prices at the bottom. Okay, and that is going to show you, that's what you're going to use to determine what to do, if it is good enough or not. So for the first one, which is this one we did, it's going for $14.19. So I'm going to click on list to store. Once you click on list to store, it's going to come here and you're going to see the variants. Okay, you're going to see the variants of this product. It has 2 variants as well. So this one is being sold for $14.19 as well. So what you need to do now is to go and check the price on Amazon. So I'm going to check the other product, this particular product right here. Then I'm going to check the current price. So as you can see on Amazon, it's being sold for $58, and that is minus the shipping fee. Okay, while on our store is being sold for $14. It's crazy, right? So if you add $14 plus the shipping fee, that's about, so let me go to my calculator, 14.19 plus 6.71. So I'm going to clear this as well, delete. So 14.19 plus 6.71, 6.71, hit enter. You're going to see that the total is being sold for $20. Okay, so the $20 is not even up to the one that is being sold here for $58 minus shipping fee. Okay, so this is a winning product. So this is how I get my winning product. Now that I know that this is a winning product, I'm going to choose a price in between $50 and $20. So if this is $58, I'm going to just sell mine for something like $40. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my store and do the math. Okay, so how much profit am I going to be making if I subtract this from $40? So I'm going to do minus $40 and hit enter. I'm going to be making $19 profit per sale. Okay, so I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to change this from multiplication to addition. Then I'm going to put in 19 point, check my calculator, 19.1, and the total is going to be $40, as you can see. Then once you've done that and you're happy with everything, make sure that the location is shipped to the United States. Click on list now. Apart from that, you can also check the shipping terms. Okay, I forgot to do that, but let me right click on this to view it on my store and you will see what it looks like so far. So it's loading up. Yeah, so as you can see, new portable underwater blue light sterilization drilling fine washing machine, blah blah blah, sold for this amount, and you can see the 2 colors, emerald and pink, whatever. So you can actually click on add to bag and the person is going to pay. Okay, so this is how to list your product, and whenever somebody pays, you're going to get $40, but on AliExpress, the retailer, the supplier is going to get less than that. You're going to be keeping your profit of about $19, and the other person, the supplier rather, is going to be getting $20. Okay, and you're going to be keeping $19. So that's basically how this works. So now that we have our store, remember that's why I said you should use this tool here to actually get everything in bulk, so you don't have to do everything manually, because if you do everything manually, it's going to take a very, very long time for you to actually get the kind of results that you're looking for. So now that you've gotten one product, you're going to repeat this process over and over and over again for all the products. Okay, and for each product you have on your store, you should have a corresponding video on your Instagram. Okay, so for example, let's say I go to this guy's page and I look for that exact product, which is the washing machine, which is this one right here, and I click on it. So I'm going to click on this three dotted menu, click on share, click on copy link. Then I'm going to go back to my online tool and download that particular video. So I'm going to do that. To do that, I'm going to go to Instagram video downloader, paste the link, click on download. I'm going to close this. Then you can see the particular video. Yeah, so I'm going to click on download to download the video to my device. As you can see, I've successfully downloaded the video to my device. So after downloading the video to your device, we move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to add your store link to your bio. Now, before adding your store link to your bio, make sure that you've added enough products on your Instagram. And a good way to go about that is to use a tool called Tailwind. Okay, to use Tailwind, all you have to do is head over to investorblack.com/Tailwind. So if I head over to investorblack.com/Tailwind, let me do that real quick. Or Tailwind rather, I don't know. So once you head over to investorblack.com/Tailwind, it's going to take you to this website right here where you can set up your account and automate your posting to your Instagram account and your Pinterest account. So it's very, very easy. I've already created an account, so I'm not going to show you how to create an account because it's very easy. All you have to do is click on sign up for free. You can sign up with your email, you can sign up with Pinterest, you can sign up with IG. So I already have my account, so I'm going to go into my account and show you what the inside looks like. So as you can see, I already have things scheduled for Monday, for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday. It's going to be automated, meaning that once you link your Instagram to this Tailwind, it's going to automatically send this post to your Instagram. Okay, so that's one way to go about it. So you can automate your tools or you can just post it manually. Okay, depending on how you want to go about it. If you want complete freedom, then you have to use automation. So now that we've done all that, we now have our post, we now have our videos. So let me just upload just one video to my Instagram. So as you can see, this is the video right here. So I'm going to click on next. Then you can choose the cover, the particular thing you want the cover to be. You can trim the video as well. You can add sound. You can also modify the video using CapCut, so you can change and just add videos about the product. Apart from that, you can also get other videos about that particular product. So I'm going to just click on next. Then you'll be asked to add your caption. So if you're using this tool, you're going to get the hashtags that you need for the video. If not, you can simply go to the person's account and just copy the person's hashtags as well. Or you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate an hashtag for you. So I will say generate hashtags for my IG post about. Then you copy the product name, portable, underwater, blue light sterilization, drainage, water, blah blah blah. So we just copy everything, Ctrl C, then I'll go back to ChatGPT and continue the prompt. Boom, then I hit go. Then it's going to generate some hashtags for me. So as you can see, ChatGPT is currently generating the hashtag for the product. I recommend you post one video for one product, one video for one product. And when you're posting the videos, always add audios that are trending. So on IG and other social media platforms, people ride on trends. Okay, and all you have to do is go to IG Reels and look for something that is trending. You can tell if something is trending through the likes, the comments, the engagement. Once you find out something that is trending, then you can click on this button at the bottom. Immediately after this, then you can click use audio. Now once you click on use audio, you can now use that audio for any of your posts that you want to post. So once you click on use audio, then you can now go and add whatever you want to add to your IG reel. And if it is the video of the product, you can also reduce the volume of the audio you are using and leave the original audio. That's the one you want. It will still rank, it will still be showing for those products. So that's basically how to go about it, guys. Yeah, so once you add your product to your IG like I'm doing right now, so let me conclude that. So I've gotten my hashtags from ChatGPT. So if I scroll down, you see my hashtags. So I'm going to just copy my hashtags. Then I'm going to go to my Instagram. Then I'm going going to paste the hashtags. Then I'm going to scroll to the top. Then I'm going to add a write-up, okay, at the beginning. Now I'm going to give some spaces so the hashtag will be hidden at the bottom, okay, as you can see. Then I'm going to come to the top and just write something really creative. I can go to the page of the sales page and just copy this, Ctrl C, go back to IG and paste it at the top here. Then I'm going to click on share. Then we move on to the next step. So as you can see, your reel has been shared. So now that my reel has been shared, I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to my home page or go to my profile to check my reels. So as you can see, this is my reel and it's about the washing machine. So anybody that sees this now will know that this is a portable washing machine, and at the end of the day I'm going to start getting some level of engagement. And apart from that, when you're posting your description, which is the description of your video here, always leave something that will stir up engagement, stir up a conversation, like how much do you think this product would cost. Okay, you can ask them a question, you can throw in something that will just make people start commenting. Okay, you can even be the first person to comment just to lead the way, because the way the algorithm works is that it works based on engagement, and engagement is commenting, likes and stuff like that. So I hope this video has been helpful. So far we've done down to our last step. So you have to keep posting reels or TikTok videos or YouTube shorts and direct people to your store. Okay, now that I've done that, I'll go back to my profile. So this is my product. I'll go back to my profile, then I'll click on edit profile, then add the link to my store. Okay, so I can add something like this. Let me go back to my ChatGPT and copy this brief description, kitchen buys. I'll go back to my IG, paste it. Okay, so I'm good to go. Then gender, I can leave it like that. Then for the links, I'm gonna click on submit first of all. So after you must have added your products, added your videos, added your things to your store that you want to sell, the next is to add the link to your bio. So to do that, all you have to do is go to your profile. Once you click on your profile, go to edit profile, then not now, then go to this place that says add link, add external link, then call this my store. Then go to your store page and copy your store page. So I'm going to do Ctrl C, then come back to my IG and paste this here. Now we'll click on continue. Yeah, so your added link. So I've added my link. So now henceforth, when someone sees my page, it's going to see my URL here, and once they click on it, it's going to take them to my online store where they can buy my product. So that's basically how to go about it, guys. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.